So we had a giant rain today. It's too wet to go back there. I want you to see all these wild raspberries. I can make tons of sun tea. Okay, I'm going to move slowly. There are blueberries, lots of blueberries still on the bush if I could get them in focus. Strawberries. These are thornless blackberries. Lemon balm. More thornless blackberries. That's a fig down there on the ground. I actually have a giant fig doubled up over there with a blueberry. Try not to spit you out. Try not to fall out here. Look at my echinacea. Lots of celery. Lots of celery. Potatoes. More tomatoes. Peppers. I planted some sweet William back there. And some radishes. Basil. The critters have eaten most of that up. Okay, let's go over. Look at all the celery. It smells so fragrant. Mullein. Still mullein over here. Kale. More kale. Swiss chard. More celery. Yarrow. I don't know if you can see it. Back there where the carpet is, that's where my tin raised beds are going. As soon as I get somebody to put them together for me. More kale. Other flowers over there. Lettuce, red lettuce. More Swiss chard. More kale. Oh, look at Seymour. He's trying to outrun his circumstances over here. There were a couple of flowers under there. I don't know if you can see them. More kale. This will be a short video. Excuse me while I try to walk over here. It's down a bunch of steep steps, you guys. Okay. There's Seymour. Trying to get you to see all of the mint without me stepping in this big huge puddle of water. So there's my garden, you guys, so far. And of course there's still more raspberries over here. I will pick some and make some tea. However, not today. See you later.